How to redeem code in COD mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and then redeem codes on Call of Duty mobile games, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to redeem a code, we're not going to use the Call of Duty mobile application. Instead we're going to open up our browser, and once we open up our browser, in the search box you want to go to this URL, which is callofduty.com, and then after you type in callofduty.com, type in slash and then type in redemption. So just go ahead and type in callofduty.com/redemption. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. This is the official link to redeem your COD mobile codes, and you can see we've been taken to the redemption center. Now first things first, you have to enter the user ID or the UID of your COD mobile account. If you don't know where that is, then you can tap on the question mark icon over here. It will show you where exactly you can find your UID right over here. And once you find the UID, after that you have to enter your code, which means your redeem code, in this specific box, as you can see. After you enter your code, for the verification purposes, make sure to also verify the captcha. If you do not understand it, then you can just tap on the little reload icon on the right hand side to get a new captcha for yourself. After you do that, just hit the submit button from the bottom, and once you tap on the submit option, your redemption code is going to be submitted, and you have to make the changes in your account after refreshing it. And that's all it takes to redeem your COD mobile codes. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.